Moving on 6.2, this is the second video in the series on lesson 6.2, fractions, decimals, and percents. We're taking a look at page 190 to start off, down towards the bottom, express decimals as percents. And the first one says express 0.07 as a percent. And there's a couple of methods. 0.07 is the same thing. If you read that number, you say 7/100ths. And you can write that as a fraction, and 7 out of 100 is 7%. The other way you can do it is by multiplying it by 100%, because 0.07 times 100% is like multiplying it times 1, which gives you still 7%. All right, be careful, because 0.7 is not equal to 7%. 0.7 is the same thing as 0.70, which is equal to 70%, because this is 7/10ths, not 7/100ths. All right, that seems pretty easy. Why don't you try number 5? Pause the video, do number 5, and then come back and see if you got it right. All right, number 5 says express 0.82 or 82/100ths as a percent. Easy cheesy. That's 82/100ths, which is equal to 82%. Woo! Hope you can handle that. Okay. Do 6, 7, and 8, and then come back and see if you got them right. All right, number 6 is 0.04 or 0.04, which is equal to 4/100ths, which is equal to 4%. And number 7 says 0.98. See, 7.98, which is equal to 98/100ths, which is equal to 98%. Ooh, okay. And then 0.6, 0.6, that's the one I warned you about, is equal to 6/10ths, which is equal to 60/100ths, which is equal to 60%. All righty, well, and you know, one that they didn't show you on here is, I'll call it number 9, but it's actually not number 9. Let's call it 8B. What if we had 1.6? What would that be? That would be 160%, right? Because 1 is equal to 100%. All right, well, that's it for that one. That was quick and easy.